Hello everyone. Today we are going to start the next topic, that is parts of sentences. So there are two parts of sentence. First is subject and second is predicate. So the subject is the person or the things we are talking about. So subject is the main part of the sentence and it is the word or person or things that we are speaking about in the sentence. Now second part is predicate. So predicate tells us something about the subject. So what does predicate do? Predicate gives us the detailed information of the subject. It tells us about what the subject is about or what the subject is doing. Like for example, the little girl has many toys. So here the little girl is the subject and has many toys is the predicate. Because the sentence is about the little girl, so it is the subject, and the words has many toys give us the description of the subject that the little girl is having toys. So has many toys is the predicate. So our next topic is affirmative and negative sentences. So affirmative sentences are positive sentences that tell us about the subject, what the subject is doing or having. And negative sentences are the sentences which have no or not in them. They are used to deny or contradict something. So I am going to repeat once again. Affirmative sentences are positive sentences. They tell us about the subject, that what the subject is doing or having. Negative sentences have no or not in them and they are used to deny or contradict something. Now, for an example, I have a pet parrot. So, this is a simple sentence and this is in the sense of positive. So, this is an affirmative sentence. Now, I do not have a pet parrot. So, here the word not has been. So, this sentence becomes a negative sentence. So, I hope the concept of affirmative and negative sentence is clear. So, now if we want to change an affirmative sentence into negative sentence, then we have to add a helping verb to the sentence to make it negative. Now, what are helping verbs? So, helping verbs are the main verbs used to describe action. Here are some of the main verbs. They are am, is, are, was, were, did, will, shall, has, have, had, must, can, could, be, being, do, does, could, might, may, should and being. So all these are the helping verbs. So we have to use these words when we need to change an affirmative sentence into negative sentence. For an example, Suman completed her work fast. So this is an affirmative sentence. Now we are going to convert this sentence into negative sentence. So to change this sentence into negative sentence, we are going to add a helping verb in this sentence. So this sentence will change like this. Suman did not complete her work fast. So we have used here did, that is the helping verb, to change an affirmative sentence into negative sentence. So when in a sentence there are more than one word, so how we are going to change the sentence into negative sentence? So in that case we are going to use the helping verb after the first word in the sentence. Like for example, Sahil will go to the market today. So here will is the first verb and go is the second verb. So we are going to use not after the first verb. So the sentence becomes Sahil will not go to the market today. So as we have learned that how we need to change an affirmative sentence into a negative sentence, now we are going to learn that how we can change a declarative sentence into an interrogative sentence. So, what are declarative sentences? So, declarative sentences are the simple sentence or the statements which ends with a full stop, and interrogative sentences are the sentences which are based on questions. So, for changing a sentence into interrogative sentence, we need to change the order of the words. For example, Bono is your best dog. So, for changing this declarative sentence into interrogative sentence, we will change the order of the words. And the sentence will be like this. Is Bono your pet dog? So now another example, that is the food was very tasty. So this is a declarative sentence, and now we are going to change this declarative sentence into an interrogative sentence. So while changing, we have to just change the order of the words. So the sentence will be like this. Was the food very tasty? So I hope the concept of conversion of affirmative and negative sentence and declarative and interrogative sentence is clear, and I hope the topic part of sentence is also clear.